It's summertime, you want a cool, refreshing salad. You don't have any salad dressing in the fridge? No problem. You can make a quick strawberry vinaigrette in a matter of minutes. All you need is a food processor or a blender will do, and a few simple ingredients. Start off with some strawberries, a great summertime delight, half of a cup, 95 grams, wash them, chop them, throw them in. And of course you're gonna want a tangy twist to this salad dressing. The juice of 1 lemon, that's about 3 tablespoons or 45 milliliters. And I know what you're thinking, do you really need a food processor or blender to do this? The answer is no. Those delicious summertime strawberries can be smashed by hand. You can use a fork or a potato masher. The salad dressing may be a bit chunky, hey, but there's nothing wrong with that. Some people like them chunky. And whether you like it chunky or smooth, now would be the perfect time to smash that subscribe button to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce and gravy making tips and techniques. Moving right along, you're doing a great job. Now it's time to add some sweetness, some honey. 1 teaspoon, drop it in. And if you don't like honey, or if you don't have any, you can always substitute with maple syrup or agave nectar. So you're almost done. That was probably the hardest part, pouring that sticky honey in. I told you this is a quick and easy recipe. Now it's time for you to snag your extra virgin olive oil, half of a cup, 125 milliliters. And I've had a lot of questions out there about what's the oil to vinegar ratio for a traditional vinaigrette. Well, typically it's 3-to-1, so 3 parts oil, 1 part vinegar. For this recipe, an apple cider vinegar brings out a nice tangy type taste, 3 tablespoons or 45 milliliters. Finish it off with a teaspoon of salt. And of course, where there's salt, there's pepper. Spank on some black pepper. That takes care of all the ingredients. Throw on the lid and blitz it. Give it a few pulses at first and then blend on high speed for roughly about 1 minute. And that's all there really is to it. I told you, it's a quick and easy summertime vinaigrette recipe. So you know, this summer, whenever you're enjoying that beautiful weather out on your back porch, eating with your friends, why not start the dinner off with a delicious salad and a homemade strawberry vinaigrette? Your friends will be truly amazed and instant fans whenever they ask, where did you get that delicious vinaigrette? You can tell them, I made it myself, it's homemade. Here's the recipe. Thank you so much, Sauce and Gravy Nation, for watching. Hope you enjoyed this sauce for a salad, otherwise known as a vinaigrette. Hey, and if you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're looking for additional vinaigrettes, check out this Chipotle vinaigrette or this creamy Dijon vinaigrette. Thanks again for watching, and remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.